Hey guys, sorry I didn't post last week or 2 weeks ago. I was busy. But today we're gonna play some Speedrun 4. And I'm on the phone with Kian. You can unmute yourself for now. There he is.
Hi.
So yeah. I'm gonna be playing Speedrun 4 with him. You ready?
I can't play right now. I'm trying to make a YouTube account.
That's fine. Okay, I'm gonna play by myself. Connecting to Roblox, starting Roblox. Awesome. Surprise, I'm here. Oh, I'm gonna put my camera just there. Can I move? Why can I not move? Wait.
I'm about to try and join your game, Natalia.
Okay, that's fine.
Where are you?
I am on level 1. You're with me. I'm jumping up and down on level 1.
No, just wait for me. I can't move yet. I need to set my character. Just wait where you are.
Okay. Kian
Nice
joined the game, so he's he's right behind me. Okay.
Check my channel, Ian Gill.
Yeah, Kian Gillen 9. You're with me. You're behind me. Okay, I'm gonna start running.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm just behind you.
Okay. Kian, look which way my character goes. It's a little bit faster than your way. See, I skip a jump.
That's what I just did. Right now.
Yeah, but last time when we played, you went the longer way. Level 2. Sorry if I'm not talking much. I'm trying to just pass this level. That sometimes just happens. Guys, leave a comment below if you want to see me play Minecraft. And survival. Because I can't do creative. Because I need to pay.
Right. Died as well.
I'm on level 3, by the way. And I just jinxed it and I died.
I just died.
Okay, there we are. Wherever my thing is, see where we are. Now! Wait, I'm on level 3. Why did I scroll all the way just to level 2? Now I'm on level 3. Only person in level 3, I can't jump! What's going on? That's just me. Okay, I can do this. Okay. I'm probably gonna jinx it. Right after I said I'm gonna jinx it, I jinxed it. Okay. I can do this jump. Hey, Kian.
Hi.
What happened?
I don't know. Are you still on YouTube?
I am recording a YouTube video, yes. And I'm still on Speedrun 4.
No, so am I. I'm on level 4.
Really? I didn't see your run pass.
What level are you on?
I'm on level 4 right now. There's literally no way because I didn't see you run past me.
Natalie, wait for me. Stay where you are.
I'm gonna die if I stop.
Natalie, oh. Well, wait for me at level 5 if you make it.
Okay. Level 5. Okay, I'm waiting for you.
You just went, Natalia.
Well, level 5 is a little bit difficult, so if I do make it, I'm gonna wait for you. And I just died. If you can see him, yeah, him, that's just my cousin. Are you on level 5? Because I know someone else is with me.
Yeah.
Because I can, and I just died. Okay, that's annoying. Okay, if I die one more time, I'm gonna do something else.
No, Natalia.
No, I'm not gonna leave speedrun 4. I'm gonna mute myself so no one can hear me. Because I'm gonna go savage, angry.
I'll hear you on the YouTube channel though when you post it.
I know. Or I can just pause. Then I'll be back. Are you on level 6?
No, are you?
I was so close I died on the last jump. What? You're on level 6? Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, that was a lucky jump. Okay, I almost died.
I made it. Moment.
You said level 7 when you meant level 6, right? Okay, level 6. Ooh, ice. I forgot what level. Oh my god, I thought I died. What level are you on?
The same level as you.
It's level 6. I'm almost on level 7. Did you die?
No,
Well,
I'm just dying.
I died.
I hate this bit. This is where I always die from this bit.
I know, me too. Because I just died
And I'm
there.
right. Because I just made it. Oh, I hate this level.
Oh, the rainbow level? Yeah, that's the fun level.
You're joking me.
No, I'm not. The level 7 is my favorite level.
Wow.
Did you just die?
No.
Because King Galen 9 says on mine you're still on level 6.
No, I'm on level 7.
That's weird.
Look, do you want me to show you?
Yeah.
Wait a second.
It says you're on level 6.
Look.
Yeah, but it says you're on level 6.
I'm hacking.
No, you're not.
Hacking is real.
I know, but you're not doing it. Plus, if you would, it will just pop up as hashtags. And there's no hashtags by anyone.
Do you want to hack right now?
You're just doing random numbers, are you? Okay. Wait. What? I didn't just type that. I keep on jumping, but it's hitting me. Why? Okay, one more time. Sorry if I'm not talking much, because King hanged up, I'm trying to call him. Why? Okay. Kian just texted me that he can't FaceTime and he said just play speedrun 4 instead. Why do I keep on dying? Kian is... Okay, you know what? Let's play a different game. Yeah, guys, how about you smash that like button and if you haven't, subscribe and goodbye.